Hello guys, welcome to MITECH HUB YouTube channel. So here is the home of technology. Today I'm here to show you how you can access all the possible powerful AI models that is used today for free. So today I'm going to show you how you can get GitHub Pro with all the model AI like Claude Opus 4.6, Claude Opus 4.5, Gemini Pro, Gemini 3.1 Pro, ChatGPT, Codex, ChatGPT 5.2. So now guys, I'm going to show you how you can get all of this for free. My name is Mugisha Izai. I'm the owner of MITECH HUB. So now today I'm going to show you how you can get all of this model and help you to breed fast and accurate. So I'm going to show you how you can get all of these models for free and get and start to make best productive softwares or websites, or also help you in your daily life, even for breeding or studying or anything. So now as you see in my screen, my GitHub is Pro. So as you see, I'm in my GitHub profile, and also as you see, I have a GitHub Pro. That means I have GitHub Copilot Pro, and also I have all the modern and powerful models AI that is used like Claude Opus 5.6, Claude Opus 4.6, Claude Opus 4.5, and Gemini Pro, ChatGPT, Codex, and many other powerful AI models. So today I'm going to show you how you can get it and start to use it, whether you are running or whether you are breeding. All of us will know that this AI is making difference in our production. So now, my name is Mugisha Izai. I'm a software developer. So now I'm going to show you how you can get all of this for free. So all of this we are going to get it for free. Now, as you know, to show you, so if I come here to my profile and also come here to Copilot setting, you will see that I have GitHub Copilot Pro. Now as you see, you are currently have any active GitHub Pro subscription. Get started by installing the extension in your preferred environment. So as you see guys, I have GitHub Copilot Pro. I have Copilot Pro. Now to help you get Copilot Pro, so also you can see that I can get all access to different model. This is the request I have used. So if I reach it to 100%, my premium request will stop until reset on the next month. Now to show you all the access I have to different models, now it's time to show you all the models. So even here we can see now, even as you see here, I'm in my dashboard. If you see where I have all of the possible agents. So as you see, I have a GPT-5, I have a Grok, I have a Gemini, also I have a Claude Sonnet 4.5, I have a GPT 5.1. You see, I have also Claude Sonnet 4.5. Also every model is here. So if I zoom out, you see I have also Claude Opus 4.6, which is powerful today. Now if I come here to my IDE, which is VS Code or Visual Studio Code, if you see where I have every possible AI model I can use to help me breed, or just running, or just help me in everything I do. So now as you see, I have every possible AI agent or every possible AI model. You see I have a GPT 5.2 Codex, GPT 5.3 Codex. I have also Gemini 1.3 Pro. I have also Claude Sonnet 4.6. I have a Claude Opus 4.6. I have everything here. So now the problem is how to get all of this. So now guys, to get this GitHub Pro, what you need is to get the link. Let's go and see how we can get this GitHub Pro and start using all of these powerful AI models that is being used nowadays. Now, you need to sign up for GitHub as Student Developer Pack. So how to do it? You will come here and sign up for Developer Pack. So if you have also your GitHub account in the browser, the next page will be this. So if you don't have your GitHub account, you will be required to add your GitHub account and also to redirect you here. Now you will start the application, but for me, I have already applied for this opportunity. So also the start application button is disabled. So but for you, if you don't have the GitHub Pro, you will get this opportunity. Now what you will be asked is to provide the academic status. As you see, I have tried first and get denied. So they ask you something like student card or some document that shows you are a student. So after they approved it, you will get this GitHub Pro after 72 hours. Now when you get this, you will get the dashboard or the message like this. What you need to do here, after you see that you have approved, what you will do is to come here and click here. Also go and connect the GitHub Copilot with your IDE. So as you see, I have connected with my IDE, so I can use in my VS Code every agent in everything I do. So now I hope this video was a big helpful. Make sure I have subscribed, like, share to everyone to get this opportunity, and comment. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to MITECH HUB to get more like this.